before I start today's video, I would like to thank all my subscribers. I can't believe I reached over 100 subscribers. You guys are awesome. And if you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe. So let's go on with today's video. Hello everyone, this is Brenda Desserts from around the world. Today's destination is Morocco. I'll be trying a recipe for almond snake pastry. So let's get started. To start our snake pastry, you're going to need 4 cups peeled almonds. If you can't find peeled almonds, you can always soak almonds overnight and they will peel right, the skin will peel right off. Then you're going to add 1 cup of powdered sugar, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, and now we're going to blend this together into a paste. So my almonds is well blended, you can see here, that's perfect. Now I'm just gonna add 1 egg and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. You don't have to add vanilla, you can add orange blossom or even rose water, depends on you. So I have my phyllo dough out. I bought an 18 sheet one. So you're gonna get 1 sheet laid down. This is like a cup of melted butter. And you're gonna brush it with butter. This is only 1 sheet. And after that, add another sheet. Then add more butter. Doesn't have to be perfect. Now we're gonna get our almond paste. And we're just gonna line it at the end. Once you have a good amount, then you're just gonna roll it with the phyllo dough very carefully. After you're done that, we're gonna roll it gently. So it's gonna look like a little snake. And I have my pan here. I already put melted butter. And we're just gonna add this to the middle. Now we're gonna keep doing this until we fill the whole pan up. So once you finish your old snake, look how beautiful it looks. You're gonna melt butter again and just place it on top again. I probably melt too much butter, so you probably need less than a cup. Okay, after that, we're gonna start putting it in the oven. So I already preheated my oven to 350 Fahrenheit, and this might take 20 to maybe 40 minutes. It always depends on your oven, and always bake to golden brown. So my snake just came out of the oven. So the minute it comes out of the oven, you want to get some honey and drizzle on top. You want a lot of honey on top. Okay, and I'm just gonna get sliced almonds and just place them on top. Okay, and we're gonna wait till it cools down and we're gonna place some powdered sugar on top. The last touch for our snake pastry is powdered sugar. Looks beautiful. Time to cut our pastry. Still want to cut it because it's so pretty. Oops, forgot to grab a plate. Come on, doesn't want to come out. There it goes. Looks beautiful. Time for the taste test. This pastry came out pretty good. I love the almonds in the middle, almonds on top. The honey just makes it taste so much better. It's better to just pretty much drench this in honey because it will taste so good. easy to make. It looks beautiful. I recommend trying this recipe. If you do, let me know. Comment below. And like always, I see you guys at my next destination. Don't forget to like and subscribe.